Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust E36 coilovers. Before starting any work, always prioritize your safety by properly lifting your vehicle and securing it with sturdy jack stands and wheel chocks. You will need a few essential tools, including spanner wrenches, an Allen key, and a reliable tape measure. Familiarize yourself with your specific coilovers components, such as the spring perch and the locking collars, as their design can vary slightly between brands. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe adjustment process. To adjust your ride height first, use your spanner wrench to loosen the locking collar located just above the spring perch. Once loose, you can rotate the spring perch itself to either raise or lower your vehicle. Turning it clockwise will typically lower the car, while counterclockwise will raise it. It is crucial to adjust both sides of an axle by the same amount to maintain an even stance. After achieving your desired height, firmly retighten the locking collar against the spring perch to secure the setting. Next, let's fine-tune your damping. The damping adjustment knob is typically found at the top or bottom of the coilover body. Turning the knob clockwise will generally result in a firmer ride, providing more control, while turning it counterclockwise will offer a softer, more comfortable feel. A good starting point is often a middle setting. Adjust in small increments, perhaps 1 or 2 clicks at a time, and then take your car for a test drive to evaluate the changes in comfort and handling. Repeat until satisfied. After making your adjustments, precisely measure the ride height from the wheel center to the fender lip on all 4 corners. Drive the car for a short distance, perhaps a few miles, to allow the suspension components to settle properly. It is absolutely critical to perform a professional 4-wheel alignment after any significant changes to your vehicle's ride height to ensure proper handling and tire wear. Finally, regularly inspect your coilovers for any signs of wear, leaks, or loose components to maintain optimal performance and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.